Reggie. Hi, Sterl. Sterl, you're tired, right, honey? We'll get some water. Now, if you see, Reggie's sniffing Sterling, and she's allowing him. She's showing him her side. So there's no confrontation at all. They're not confrontational with each other. They both gave each other a nice greeting, and he's ready to play, right? Go. Come on, Reggie, bring it back. Good boy! Good boy! Almost! Come on. Come on. Good boy. So the whole idea is, if you want to teach him how to fetch, you have to have something to sort of bribe him with. If he brings you a ball, you want to give him another one. Come on, Reggie, give me that ball. So I have another one ready. And every time I throw that, I'm going to pick up another ball. So that when he could get the ball. No? Okay. To give to him.